There are places on Earth where the land itself seems to remember. Israel is one of them. The Judean desert bakes under the sun, its stones echoing with ancient stories. Every canyon and mountain here holds a secret, carved by time and faith. This is a land of prophecy, where legends say God spoke and destinies were shaped. From the Sea of Galilee to the Negev, history is not just seen, it's felt. Ancient ruins like Masada and Beit Shean stand as silent witnesses to epic tales of survival. These aren't just relics, they're portals to eras of faith, war, and hope. The silence here is deceptive, filled with echoes of voices long gone. What truths lie buried in this timeless terrain? The land guards its mysteries fiercely. Israel is a puzzle box of time, faith, and conflict. Each answer uncovered only leads to deeper questions. And so, the desert whispers, inviting us to listen and to wonder. Before nations and borders, these hills birthed kingdoms that shaped the world's faith. King David, Solomon, prophets, figures whose legacies still echo today. Their world was one of faith and constant peril, caught between empires. Sacred texts tell of triumph, betrayal, and a covenant with the divine. Tragedy struck. Assyrians scattered Israel, Babylonians destroyed the temple, and exile forged identity. The dream of sovereignty endured through centuries of foreign rule. Rome's conquest brought devastation. The Second Temple fell, and the Jewish people scattered. The land's name changed, but its memory endured. The echoes of ancient kings and prophets still resonate, waiting for a new chapter. Here, history is never truly past, it's alive in every stone. For 2,000 years, the dream of return lived on in prayers and stories. In 1948, Israel was reborn, a nation rising from the ashes of exile and tragedy. Its birth was marked by conflict and hardship, but also by hope. Holocaust survivors, refugees, and dreamers arrived with little but determination. They made deserts bloom, built cities, and shared everything in kibbutzim. Scarcity and threat defined the early years, but so did unity and creation. In decades, Israel transformed, becoming a leader in agriculture, science, and technology. Today, it's the startup nation, a hub of innovation changing the world. Jerusalem remains the spiritual heart, where past and present intertwine. Tel Aviv pulses with modern energy, a symbol of progress. Archaeologists still dig, connecting today's Israel with its ancient roots. Here, old and new are in constant dialogue, making Israel's story ever-evolving. Even now, Israel's deepest truths remain hidden. Across the Negev, ancient geoglyphs and stone structures puzzle researchers. Who made them? Why? Their secrets are lost to time. Beneath the land, tunnels and caves hint at forgotten histories. In Jerusalem, ancient passageways lead back to the Second Temple. The greatest find, a Bedouin shepherd's discovery of the Dead Sea Scrolls, revealed ancient texts and new mysteries. Each discovery reminds us the story is incomplete. Israel's secrets are a shared heritage, challenging us to keep searching. The past whispers to us, always present, always inviting. The journey of discovery continues for all who listen. The unwritten chapters await, ready to be found.